Okay, it's working. It like paused. Hi guys, it's Leia. Oh, okay. I'm really stoked because BtoB, I just saw on Twitter that their music video is out, and I just woke up like probably 30 minutes ago. So I was like, oh, okay, gotta get ready for that. So here I am. I'm ready to go to watch this music video. As you see, it's kind of a new area because I'm here, but I'm gonna pull it up right now. No need for explanation. I really like BtoB, so we're gonna pull it up right now. BtoB, beep beep, music video. Ready, set, go. Ilhoon. Ah, they left him. Sungjae. I really like this concept. I really like this concept a lot. You're sick! Oh my god. Danielle. Chunks of, yeah. But I like blinked out. Ooh! Oh, that's cute. Oh, I got it. Oh, it's honk. It's like honking, right? Mini hawk. Oh, he looks so good. He looks so good. Oh my god. I like this song. I like their jackets, that's cute. Ping pong. Oh, girls' butts. Oh my god, I'm sick. It's my bias. Ooh, suits. Oh, Chun-sub. I love his voice. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, looking at me. Oh, oh I probably look like a dork. But oh my god. Did I get it? Oh my god, they're so cute. Oh, I love Ilhoon's voice. Oh my god, what just happened? Oh, I love this. This looks so much fun. Oh, that is cute. You did the Harlem Shake? Oh my god. Oh, they got a ticket. That's why they were mad at him. I was like, why are they mad at him? Yay! That was BtoB's BtoB. Yay! Oh, I probably look like a dork. I was like dancing. And I was like trying to do moves. Like, I don't even know. I really liked it. Oh, it was so cute. It looked super fun. I know Thriller was more like of a dark concept, and now they have like a super fun concept. It really fits their personalities because they're really fun, like guys. and it's just I'm very happy about it. I'm very happy about it. I can't wait to see their live performance. I can't wait to hear their mini album. I heard the previews, they're really good. And yeah, that's it. It's great. It's great. I love it. I hope I'm not being biased, because maybe I am. But what do you guys think of the music video? Please share your thoughts below. And I will see you guys later. Till the next reaction video. Bye bye.